Imagine a chrysalis, a cocoon holding a creature on the brink of a beautiful transformation. Now picture your car in that same situation. A paint job isn't just a change of color, it's a metamorphosis, a rebirth into something fresh, vibrant, and undeniably appealing. Welcome to the Candy House, the place where this transformation happens. Here, cars don't just get painted, they get a new lease on life. Make no mistake, painting a car is an art. It's a process that requires precision, skill, and a keen eye for detail. And at the Candy House, we have mastered this art. The journey begins with a thorough cleaning. We scrub off every speck of dirt and grime, every trace of old wax and grease. We leave no stone unturned, ensuring that the car's surface is pristine and ready for the transformation. Next, we move on to sanding. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial. Sanding smooths out any rough patches and removes old paint, creating a blank canvas for the new color. Once the car is clean and smooth, we apply a primer. Think of this as the foundation of a house. It ensures that the paint will adhere properly to the car's surface, providing a sturdy base for what's to come. After the primer comes the main event, the paint. At the Candy House, we don't just slap on a coat of color. We carefully apply multiple layers, building up the hue and depth until it shines with a luster that turns heads. The final touch is a clear coat, a protective layer that gives the paint job its glossy finish and shields it from the elements. This step seals in the color and locks in the shine, ensuring that your car continues to dazzle long after it leaves our garage. But we don't stop there. At the Candy House, we believe in going the extra mile. That's why we also offer a detailing service. We polish every inch of the car until it gleams inside and out. The result? A car that doesn't just look new, it feels new. So if you're ready for a transformation, if you're ready to see your car in a new light, come to the Candy House. Give your car the paint job it deserves and watch as it emerges from the cocoon, a vibrant butterfly ready to take flight. Remember, at the Candy House, we don't just paint cars, we create masterpieces.